before we get started, guys, just want to properly introduce myself. I am Zay Molina, one of the IX market experts, right? One of the educators, excuse me, for us here at IX Global. Okay, I teach for one of the teams called Empire IX. We're going to dive a little bit deeper into that later today. We do have the Spanish translation on available, so if you guys need to, feel free to go to the settings here on Zoom and access the Spanish translation. Okay, unfortunately, if you're watching on Facebook or YouTube right now, you only have the English version, but we will definitely send out the recording for everybody in probably both languages, English and Spanish. Okay, so with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and dive a little bit deeper into our call today, guys. Again, this is going to be the XCore overview call, our trading platform here at IX Global. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them in the chat now. We'll answer them at the end, just so we don't have to interrupt anything. I promise this won't be a long call as well. And without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and get started. So first and foremost, guys, just want to start with a quick disclaimer just to make sure everyone is on the same page about what we have here at IX Global, what XCore is all about, and how you guys can benefit from this. Okay, so first and foremost, guys, us here at IX Global, Empire IX, and all the trading teams, we are not financial or investment advisors. Past performance does not guarantee future results. The Forex, the crypto, the stocks, the indices, the synthetic indices, all financial markets that we participate in do involve risk, and risk means potential loss. Okay, we cannot offer, or do we not, excuse me, we also do not offer any guaranteed ROI or any guaranteed income. Okay, so guys, there is risk involved. We just want to make sure that everyone is safe and secure out there. What we offer here at IX Global is education, tools, technology, and I'm gonna throw in a third one there, community. Our job here is to guide you guys and teach you about what we know about the financial markets to help you make more informed decisions when you enter the markets at your own risk, to help you guys be successful in this industry. So once again, guys, we are an educational platform designed to help you teach to reach your personal and financial goals. Okay, another thing I just want to kind of mention, guys, is we recommend never borrow money to get involved in any business or market, and never invest money you cannot afford to lose. Okay, so with that being said, guys, let's dive a little bit deeper into our platform. And before we go in depth into the trading, aspects at XCore, let's talk about 1X. Okay, so 1X is the official new brand for IX Global that breaks down what we're trying to do here, guys. We are a members only freedom lifestyle club, right? This is a platform designed for digital empowerment. We want to help you guys achieve both your personal and financial goals through inspiration, innovation, and we're trying to impact your life. And this is where we came up with 1X, right? What is 1X? Well, let's dive a little bit deeper into this before we start diving into why we offer the services that we do. Okay, first and foremost, guys, the one of 1X is pretty much saying that you decide to be the one, right? Our goal in this life is to find a purpose. Would you not agree? Our goal is to try to figure out why were we put here, right? Whatever, your beliefs are, we're not getting into anything like that. We're just trying to figure out, what am I supposed to do with my life? What is my calling? What am I, meant to do for my life, for my personal self, for my family, for everyone involved, to where I can leave a legacy, right? That is the way I feel every day I wake up in the morning. I hope you guys do as well. And you're trying to figure out, what is your purpose? And it really comes down to actually making a decision, right? And the decision that we need to make is, are you the one? Am I the one? Are you the one that's going to be the one that's going to change your family's life? Are you going to be the one that's going to leave a legacy for your last name? Are you going to be the one that's going to get your family out of difficult times right now and move on into a better life, right? Are you going to be the one that's going to be able to buy your mom a house and, retire your parents, all that kind of stuff? Are you the one, right? And again, it's simple as yes or no. Am I going to be the one? Am I going to be one that's going to dedicate my life to be able to accomplish the things that I want, whether it's financial goals, personal goals, whatever my goals are in life? Am I the one that's going to be able to do that, right? And that is our goal. We want to be the one that's going to take our freedom back, whether that's financial freedom, personal freedom, whatever it may be. That is where we need to make the decision in ourselves to be consistent, discipline, and be the person that's going to follow our purpose and, again, change the lives of ourselves and of others. And that's where we come into the X. The X is essentially the multiplier, right? We don't want to be selfish and keep that all to ourselves, right? We want to be able to share this and spread the word with others. When we find something that works for us, let's share it with others to help them change their lives as well. Let's help them make the decision to be the one as well. And that is our goal here at IX Global. We want to share with what we have. We have the knowledge in different areas, different skill sets, but we also want to share this with others so we can impact your lives for the better. And that is essentially the mission of IX Global. We are a global company all around the world. We have many members in India, the US, South America, in Africa, and many other places, guys, where we are trying to essentially give you guys the opportunity to learn different skill sets, get involved in digital entrepreneurship and change the life and be the one in your family. Okay. And so that is what we have here at iXCore. That is what the 1X stands for, deciding that we are the one, and then also being the multiplier, sharing this with others, impacting other people's lives around the world. Okay. And so how do we do that, right? How do we take our freedom back? How do we, now that we decided to be the one, and now that we want to share this with others, how do we do that, right? What are we sharing, right? When our goal is to identify what is the problem and how do we find the solution, right? I always like to say, everyone is, it's easy for everyone to identify problems, right? You see all the people, complaining about every little thing, whatever it may be. There, here's the problem, here's a problem, here's a problem, here's a problem. But there's only a select few, right? A handful of people throughout each, essentially community that's really going to say, okay, well, here's the problem. What is the solution? What can I do about it, right? What are we able to do to change that problem and change the, change the scenario, right? Change the situation. And that is our goal here at iXCore. That is our goal here with, XCore and everything that we have, is to recognize the problems, right? For example, half of the skills will be outdated within 2 years. This is a study that was also posted by Forbes, right? A very, influential website, right? And they're talking about how a lot of skills are getting taken over by, AI, by automated systems, all of these different things. And so when people are losing their jobs because of that, or losing their jobs because of pandemics or whatever it may be, what are you going to do to avoid the next disaster? Right? What are you going to do? What is your solution going to be to say, hey, if something like this happens to me, I'm going to be okay. My family's going to be okay. What are we going to do? And that's where we need to find that, hey, if you're in a skill, you're in a job that could be outdated within the next 2 years, right? Do you have a backup plan? Do you have a skill set that's going to help you avoid that to where you are able to do so? And that comes down to where, today's call, the XCore trading overview, guys, we're going to be talking about trading and how it can be potentially that backup plan for you guys. How it can be that, a solution to avoid these types of problems, right? And so that is the key, guys, is to identify what is the problem and where are the solutions. And us here at iX Global, we're trying to identify the solutions and help you guys also identify those solutions. Okay, so what does it come down to, guys? Well, us here at iX Global, we have multiple services and products that are launching. We have more coming next year, guys, but this is our ecosystem here at iX Global. Again, we are designed and we are here to help you guys learn different skill sets in the digital entrepreneur space, whether it's trading, whether it's network marketing, whether it's getting involved in crypto or becoming an elite in personal development, right? Whether it's travel, all of this available for you guys to start developing the online skills to help you guys avoid the problems and find the solutions. And as I mentioned, guys, we're not going to go too deep into any of these really today, other than XCore, right? XCore is our global trading educational platform, and we are here to help you guys learn the skill set of trading, right? Whether it's trading in stocks, whether it's Forex, whether it's crypto, right? Whatever industry that you guys are interested in, to learn how to get involved in these financial markets, that is our job, to help you guys learn more about these markets, start learning strategies, start getting involved in these markets to help you guys start learning the skill set and earning an income from whether it's your phone, your online, your computer, wherever you guys have an internet connection and a mobile device, you guys are able to start trading and start learning the skill set and making money wherever you like. Okay. And so that is what we have here at XCore. It's our global trading education. And this is the great thing, guys. XCore is not designed just for experienced traders. It's not for just people who already know the skill set, already have a strategy in place, and are just coming here to get some, extra resources, anything like that. No, if you have never traded before, but you've always been kind of interested, guys, iX Global and our XCore platform is here for you. Okay. We help everyone from a brand new beginner, has no idea what Forex is, all the way to any type of experienced type of trader, right? So if you have no idea, you're brand new, you're a beginner, but you've heard about trading, you want to get involved, guys, we have the beginner steps. We teach you everything from what is Forex, what is crypto, what is a pip, what is a lot size, what is a candlestick, all of that terminology, all of that beginner basics to help you guys get started on your trading journey. And as you advance and you start to understand those, then you move into learning the strategies. Then you move into understanding what is the what are the charts actually showing me? Where are there opportunities for me to actually get in, buy, sell, wherever it may be, to help me find myself in a high probable trade? You learn the proper risk management. You learn how to understand price action. And that is our goal here at XCore. We're here to teach you guys how to get involved from all the way from a beginner all the way to advanced level trader, right? And then the most important thing for sure, guys, is the application. When you learn all these strategies and you learn to get involved, you learn about the financial markets, the most important and the most beneficial education that you're going to get is when you actually apply it to the markets. Right now, you don't have to immediately put in all your money, all your life savings into a trading account, anything like that. Right? No, guys, when it comes to applying, we have demo accounts that we help you set up with different brokers, right? The broker of your choice. We can help you set up a demo account where you're trading fake money, just like Monopoly money, right? Online money, where you guys are able to practice learning these skill sets before you decide, whenever you're ready, to open up a live account with whatever broker that you choose, and you are able to start trading live, right? So again, you have the ability to learn and start practicing before you actually take this and start putting your money on the line, right? That is the goal. That is our recommendation to you guys, is to make sure you understand everything. You ask a lot of questions. We are the mentors here to guide you, and you guys you'll start practicing before you applying it to real markets. And again, guys, we have the education for all levels. Whether you're a seasoned trader, you've traded before, or you're brand new, you have no idea what any of this is, guys, we're here to help you. Okay. And so how does this work, right? What does our platform look like? Well, as I mentioned, guys, we have education in multiple different markets: Forex, crypto, commodities, indices, synthetic indices, right? All of these different types of markets, depending on whatever you're interested in. We have the academies, the skill sets, right? And the strategies to help you trade in these different markets. Okay. Forex is the foreign exchange. That's currencies like the Great British Pound versus the US dollar. Crypto obviously is like Bitcoin, Ethereum. Okay. And then synthetic indices are actually indices that are going to be, available in different markets, right? I don't believe these are available in the US as of right now. I could be wrong. But essentially, guys, this allows you to trade in different markets, different aspects all throughout the world, right? And so when you start learning with us here at XCore, we have live sessions just like this, where you guys will hop on calls. We'll go over charts together. We will trade live together, allowing you guys to see the strategy in action, ask your questions, and we'll help guide you guys to understanding how we view these markets to help you guys learn this knowledge and start applying it yourself, right? And then in addition, we also have self-paced academies, right? We have these courses in the back, over 50 courses now. We just launched a new one for our Master Trading University that we're going to talk about here in just a little bit. But we have all these different courses to allow you guys to start learning from, again, a step-by-step format from the very beginning of what is Forex, what is this type of strategy, into advanced concepts to help you guys develop your trading skills, right? So we have over 50 courses already here in the XCore platform, different languages: English, Spanish, Korean, Italian, and even Hindi, available for you guys to start learning these different strategies. Excuse me. Okay. And so Empire IX, guys, I want to go ahead and kind of highlight this team. And this personally is one of my favorite teams, and I am a little biased. And the reason why, guys, is because I'm actually one of the educators for Empire IX. We're here at Empire IX. We are one of the trading teams for IX Global, for XCore. And our goal is to teach you guys institutional trading concepts. Okay. We classify ourselves as institutional traders because our goal when it comes to the markets is trying to identify what are the banks, what are the large institutions, the heavy investors, what are they doing in the markets that allow us to go in and actually identify what is price action likely to do next and find ourselves in high probable setups. Okay. So what does that mean? Well, essentially, guys, a lot of traders, they like to use a lot of indicators, a lot of support and resistance. If you Google Forex trading patterns, you're going to see a big old chart of these flags and pennants and all these different retail trading strategies, right? And instead of trading that way based on patterns and things like that in the market, we try to understand what is price action actually going to do. The banks, the large institutions, the heavy investors, right? All of those people with a lot of capital, they're the ones that actually move the markets. So our goal is to try to figure out where they're going to move it next, rather than trying to, base it off of some mathematical formula or some random, pattern in the market. We need to figure out where the bank's going to do next. Wouldn't you agree that that makes the most sense? That if they're the ones that influence price, they're going to push price to wherever they want. Wouldn't it make the most sense that we should figure out where they're trying to go to find ourselves in a high probable trade setup? Well, that is exactly what we teach here at Empire X. And just to give you guys a little bit better explanation, I'm actually going to play a video now of what is institutional trading. It's about a 1-minute video, guys. So let me go and bring that up now. And so we can watch this, guys, and kind of go a little bit deeper into what is institutional trading. So I'm gonna go ahead and play this now. If somebody can type in the chat just to let me know that the visual and the audio is okay, I'd really appreciate it. Okay, so let's go ahead and go over what is institutional trading. What is institutional trading? Institutional trading is essentially trading with the banks rather than against them. So what do I mean by that? Well, we know that the banks and large investors are the market participants that actually move price. They are the ones with enough capital to do so. You, me, and all individuals that are trading in these markets, we are known as retail traders. And what the banks intend to do is manipulate or mislead retail traders into taking losing positions for their own advantage and profitability. A lot of retail traders attempt to learn geometric trading patterns or several indicator strategies without even considering what the large institutions are planning to do. By trading this way, some believe that they can outtrade or outsmart the banks without realizing there is no way to do that. That's like a surfer attempting to surf against a wave rather than going with the flow of the ocean. If they do that, that overpowering wave is just going to swallow them up and knock them down. As a surfer, you need to go with the direction of the water and ride the wave in order to find success. And as a trader, we need to do the same. We need to identify the direction the large institutions intend to move the market and ride the wave with the banks. And that's exactly what you will learn throughout this course. Our goal is to introduce you to concepts used by the banks to help you avoid their manipulation and educate you on how to read price action successfully. So without further ado, let's get started and take your trading to the next level with Empire IX. Awesome, guys. Real quick in the chat, if you guys got some value from that video, feel free to drop some number ones just to let me know that you guys are starting to understand a little bit more about our trading education here at IX Global and XCore, okay? And so that's exactly what institutional trading is, right? And I love that analogy when it comes to a surfer, right? When you're surfing, you don't want to go against a wave, right? You don't want to try to wait for that water to come and try to surf against this powerful wave, all that water that's going to essentially just take you up, knock you down underwater. You may get water in your nose, you may lose your board, right? That's essentially the kind of things that we want to look for in the markets. We want to identify the highest probability of where the banks are going to push the market next. Are they going up now? Are they going down? And why? What is the logic behind this type of move to help ourselves find ourselves in the best opportunity for us to, capitalize on a winning move? Okay. So with that being said, let's go ahead and bring back our presentation now. And we're going to dive a little bit deeper now into how you guys can get started with us specifically here at Empire IX, right? So as I mentioned, guys, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, we help you guys from the very beginning, right? And we have the getting started document with Empire IX, guys. It's a PDF, 7-page PDF that takes you step by step of what we recommend you download, the apps you download, of how to join the official Empire IX XCore channel, where you guys can receive the class links, the Zoom links, the resources, trade alerts, all of that available in that channel, as well as the other team channels, how to access our academies, how to set up your broker. We give you information about different brokers to allow you guys to start getting involved and understanding the difference between those brokers to help you decide the best one for you. Then we also have our class schedule, where you guys can see all the different class links, all the different times of when these classes are being held that you guys can hop on, as well as some additional resources, right? We are here at Empire X. We're not trying to be like any other trading platform out there, guys. We want to be the best. We want to give you guys the best. So we made some additional resources that we're going to talk about here in just a few minutes, but all of that is available with our getting started document in Empire IX. If you're already a member of IX Global, you have access to this. Go to the Empire IX XCore channel, go to documents, and you'll see the download link for this PDF. Okay. Now, on top of that, guys, one of our most popular academies is going to be the Master Trader University. Okay. The Master Trader University is our essentially, our main academy that's going to take you from a beginner of I have no idea what institutional trading is to advanced of, hey, I now understand what the concepts of the banks are trying to do in the market, and allows me to understand the markets a little bit better. So we take this just like a college or any type of university course, where you guys will come in as a freshman. You'll go through all the freshman level videos, and then you'll take a freshman level quiz testing yourself on all the videos you just watched. And if you pass with an 80% or higher, then you move on to sophomore, then to junior, then to senior. And once you pass that senior level quiz with an 80% or higher, then you can move on. Then you receive your certificates, right? Allowing you to, that you've accomplished this entire Master Trading University, verifying that you guys are a certified smart money trader in the eyes of us here at Empire. Okay. So how cool is that, guys? When you pass the Master Trading University, you get your certificate, you allow yourself to go from a inexperienced trader to a more advanced trader, to understanding what is actually going on with the bank logic and the markets, right? Why are the markets moving the way that they do? Okay. And the great thing about this, guys, is that certificate that's going to give you guys the ability to, show this to everyone around the world, letting them know, that you are learning the skill set to help you better your life. Okay. And so just want to give a quick update about the certificates, guys. Those should be available very, very soon. So if you've already completed the freshman, sophomore, and now even the junior level, a certificate, guys, or the course, you will receive your certificates very soon, guys. We're going to get those uploaded for you guys very shortly for each grade level. Okay. So that is the next thing I wanted to announce, guys, is the junior level has been launched as of today. So if you guys have already passed the sophomore level and you want to take a look at the junior level content, make sure to check that out, guys. It is available in the X Life platform. Okay, so that is our Master Trading University. And to explain this just a little bit better, guys, I do have one more video I want to show you guys, another short little 1-minute video to kind of explain our idea behind the Master Trading University. Okay, so let me go ahead and bring this back up to our video page, and let's go ahead and take a look at the Master Trader University. What's going on, guys? I'm Zay Molina, and welcome to the MPRIX Master Trader University. This comprehensive course is designed to introduce you to institutional trading concepts and equip you with the knowledge and skills to trade effectively alongside the large financial institutions. Just like a structured academic curriculum, you will embark on a progressive journey starting as a freshman and advancing through sophomore, junior, and senior level content. As a freshman, you'll learn institutional trading basics, then progress to sophomore to grasp the logic behind the bank actions and their impact on market movement. As a junior, you will gain insights to identifying institutional moves, and finally, as a senior, you will be taught advanced concepts to enhance your market analysis. To progress to the next level, you must successfully pass each grade level quiz with a score of 80% or higher. Upon finishing the course, you will receive your certificate validating your completion of the Master Trader University and your elevated trading expertise. By the end of the course, you'll possess a profound understanding of how the large institutions influence price, how to avoid bank manipulation, and the ability to interpret market movements effectively. It's now time to begin your educational journey, so let's get started and take your trading to the next level. Awesome, guys. So once again, that is the Master Trader University for us here at MPRIX, designed to teach you guys, from a freshman through sophomore, junior, senior level content to help you guys really understand what the banks are trying to do in the markets, right? And that is our goal, guys. Again, it's about understanding what are the big players, the people that actually control the markets, what are they doing that's going to allow us to identify where the markets are likely to go next. And that is our goal with the Master Trader University. Now, once you have gone through this content and you understand, okay, this is what the banks are trying to do, now it's time to start learning actual strategies that we use in the markets for the Forex, for the crypto, for indices, for commodity markets, right? Whatever one you want to choose and get involved in. We have these academies designed to help you guys learn exactly what we are specifically looking for in the markets. And we give you the mentorship to trade similar to the way that we do. Okay. And you guys can take a look here. This is my two colleagues and myself here at MPRIX, and our strategy courses that are available in the XCore platform. My personally, guys, is called the MBM method, where I break down what MBM means, how it kind of, how we can look for this in the market. And we go from a step-by-step process from understanding, okay, this is our basic market structure, this is risk management, and then we go through all the advanced content, looking for our targets, looking for our points of interest, right? Different types of candlesticks and things in the markets that we help us identify where the institutions are likely actually making a move in the market, to all the way to executing a trade and setting our stop loss, take profit, etc. Right? All of that can be found within this course, guys. It's about a 22 video type of course, very straight to the point, very step-by-step format, allowing you guys to really start learning my strategy from the beginning to advanced content. Okay. Then I actually have a sequel to this course where we go over Wyckoff schematics. Okay. If you don't know what Wyckoff is, Wyckoff was actually a trader back in the early 1900s. His full name was Richard D. Wyckoff, and he was one of the first to identify what are the banks actually doing? What is smart money trading, right? What are the smart money, when it comes down to that, are the institutions. They're the banks, right? They're the ones that actually move the markets, right? And so Wyckoff, a phenomenal trader that we can learn from. I, essentially incorporated his strategy, his methods into my trading plan, and I teach that for you guys as well, so you guys can learn the Wyckoff method and the MBM method and combine it to help you guys become a more advanced trader. Okay, I have some additional videos on that as well. I'm not going to share them here today, but you guys can find them on my YouTube channel. Just go ahead and search me, Isaiah Zay Molina, on YouTube. You guys can find those, and find the videos that we just shared, as well as the videos for these courses. Okay. Now we also have Garrison and James, their courses as well, going over their strategies. They also have, the step-by-step format, so you guys can start learning how to trade with them. James is a phenomenal indice trader, going over, NOS 100, SPX 500, etc. And Garrison is definitely, one of the Forex masters, right? Especially for major pairs, Euro USD, GBP USD, etc. Right? So definitely check out these strategies if you guys have not already. They are available in your XCore platform, and you guys can start learning how to trade with the experts. Okay, awesome. Now, on top of that, guys, as I mentioned a little bit earlier, us here at MPRIX, we are not trying to be your basic, hey, let me just give you a couple videos and good luck, right? We are the mentors designed to help you guys from the very beginning to the end, right? And when it comes down to that, guys, when you become a member here at XCore, you get access to our exclusive resources, right? We have custom spreadsheets made for you guys. We have a trade journal, a trading plan template, an exponential growth tracker designed to help you guys track your trades, track your progress as a trader, and help you guys develop reaching for your goals, and helping you guys, really kind of start planning everything down and writing down all of your trades, everything to that degree, to help you guys become a disciplined and disciplined and confident trader. Okay. Then we also have articles and study guides designed to help you guys really understand this content. Okay. When it comes down to Wyckoff, you guys can see I wrote an 11-page article about the Wyckoff schematics to help you guys understand exactly the style of method to go along with the course available. Okay. Then we also have the study guides showing you the different schematics in the Wyckoff method, as well as with some examples. Then we also have my Pac-Man analogy, right? I love the Pac-Man analogy to kind of break down what the markets are actually doing in a fun way and related to a game of Pac-Man. Okay. That is a fun video that I kind of did. I love that analogy to really help people understand the markets. That's actually available in the MBM method course. So if you want to take a look at that and try to break down the markets a little bit simple, like the game of Pac-Man, you can do so by watching that video in the MBM method course. Okay. So once again, guys, we have these resources. We have some more coming out very, very soon. I'm very excited and very, very excited about, getting this stuff to you guys because, not only are you able to learn from the videos and the live classes, but now you have resources to add to your notes that you can print out if you'd like, or have them up on your computer that are going to help you throughout your entire trading journey, whether it's with IX Global or you go off on your own ventures, guys. You have these to help you guys be successful. And that is what we want. We want to help you guys become the traders that you want to become. Okay. So that is what we have with our exclusive resources. And, to make this even better, guys, us here, all the information we just kind of went over, that was specifically Empire X content, right? That is exactly what we have here at Empire IX. But us here at Empire IX, we are just one official team for IX Global, for the XCore platform. You get access to a total of 16 different teams where you guys can learn and earn with through their trading education, through their live classes, through their trade alerts, where you guys will actually receive trades from us when we take a trade, we send it out to the field. You guys are able to copy the numbers, paste it into your trading app, and you guys are able to take the exact same trades with us experts, right? So whether we win or we lose, you guys are able to, take that same trade with us and be able to, capitalize with us. And the reason why I say whether we win or when we lose is because I don't want you guys to think we're those Facebook or Instagram gurus out there that say, hey, come join my channel. I'm 99% accurate. We never lose. I'll guarantee you this type of income and blah, 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 blah. Guys, run away from those. Those are most likely your scammers. We are honest. We are transparent right from the very beginning and letting you know, guys, we're going to take some losses. That is what trading is all about. It's a game of probabilities, right? But using proper risk management, understanding that we are using a strategy that works in the market more times than not, that is what's going to allow us to be profitable in the end. We're not going to win every single trade, but at the end, using proper risk management and stuff, we do, find ourselves being profitable. That's what we've had in the past. And again, past performance does not guarantee future results, but I do want to just kind of let you guys know that is how that's what trading is all about. It's about risk management, understanding that we want to find a strategy that works in the markets. We're not going to win every single trade, but we will find ourselves profitable if we do it correctly and in a disciplined method. Okay. And that's what we have here. 16 different channels that you guys get access to follow along. And you guys can take all the trade alerts from every single group if you like. You can choose the best that fit for you, whatever it's like, guys. But all of these are available within our XCore platform. Okay, so with that being said, let's talk about how you can get access to the XCore. And I think this is the best thing about it all, guys. Here, 16 different channels, 16 different methods of trading, different markets, whatever it may be from each channel, and trade alerts and the extra resources, all the videos, all the live classes. You guys can get access to all of that for only $80 a month. Come on now, $80 a month, guys. With our 1X Lite membership, you get access to all of the trading academies, everything, all the trade alerts, everything that we just went over in the XCore platform, guys, for $80 a month. Okay, you get access to that. You get access to some additional benefits of the 1X membership. You get access to our brand ambassador program that we're going to talk about in just a minute. But all of that, again, only $80 a month, guys. There's other platforms out there that are charging hundreds, charging thousands for, half the material that we give out, guys. And you guys can get it here for only $80 a month. Okay, how amazing is that? Now, if you do want to get some extra benefits, okay, and I would definitely recommend, reaching out to the person that invited you to today's call to hear more about these benefits, right? But when we talked about in the beginning, our entire ecosystem is not just trading, but it's also travel. It's also a crypto. It's also our personal development. All of that can be available on our other packages, our Pro and our Elite. The Pro is $130 a month. You get access to everything in the 1X Lite, but you also get access to Dream Trips X, which is our travel program, and you get some travel loyalty points, okay? I love our travel program, guys. I actually booked a trip going to Cabo in February with it, and I saved so much money from that, just from, booking it with that platform versus others, right? I love our travel program. It's absolutely amazing. So if you like to travel, I would definitely recommend taking a look at the Pro Pack and seeing if Dream Trips X is the right fit for you. Now, Elite, if you guys want to, really develop yourself, not only financially, but personally, the Elite Pack is $185 a month. You get access to everything in the Lite everything in the pro, but you also get access to all of the other skills academies that are going to be launched within the next year, right? We're going to have everything from graphic design to entrepreneurship. We're going to have access to e-commerce, right? Other types of online skills that can help you guys start earning an income from the comfort of your home, where you get access to all those academies and be able to choose from those, all with the elite membership. Now, on top of that, you get access to more travel points with the Dream Trips X. You get access to a cruise voucher, right? A free cruise that comes with that membership. You guys can definitely take a look at that in the terms and conditions that come with that package. But you also get access to the Elite X Society, which is mentorship from successful entrepreneurs, right? Multimillionaires that are teaching us what they did to help us better our lives, right? We just had one on Saturday with our CEO, Joe Martinez. Phenomenal call, going over the financial situations and how to, manage our money a little bit better rather than, going on along with what's taught in schools, or actually, I should say what's not taught in schools, right? They don't teach us how to manage our money. And so Joe Martinez, our CEO, he's been kind of going over the financial aspect of telling us and teaching us how essentially to manage our money and use it into, be successful and start, to develop our finances and develop wealth. Okay. So just, another amazing aspect of the elite pack there. And so again, guys, these are the different memberships we have. The 1X Lite, the 1X Pro, and the 1X Elite. Reach out to the person that invited you, talk to them, have a conversation, and find out what is the best membership for you. And again, just to give you guys, the clarification, if you want access to just the trading side, that is what you want to at least get started with. All of that is available on the 1X Lite package for only $80 a month. Okay. So make sure you guys take advantage, get involved. But before we finish off here, guys, we are not done. Now, I also want to let you know that there is a way to get involved for free. We're going to talk about that in just a minute. Okay. Now, before we do so, let's talk about the 1X Brand Ambassador Program. Now, no matter what package you get, whether it's the $80 pack, $185, or even the $130, right? You get access to our Brand Ambassador Program. And again, this is completely optional, but it allows you guys to get involved and be the multiplier. Once you guys get involved and you start learning how to trade, if you love it and you are starting to make an impact, your trading has completely gone to the next level, you understand the financial markets, you're starting to find success, why wouldn't you want to share this with others, right? Why wouldn't you want to tell your family, your friends, right? Everyone that you love, hey, I found something that's just absolutely amazing. I love it. It's been changing my life. You should check it out. Well, us here at IX Global, we actually reward you for doing so, right? If you share this with people all around the world, we will actually give you some commissions to help you guys, simply share the word of IX Global and the XCore platform, and actually all of 1X, right? And so how does this look like, guys? Well, simply, guys, you can build an online business with our 1X Brand Ambassador Program, okay? It goes from everything from a referral bonus. If you invite your family or friends and you say, hey, you should check this out, and they're like, hey, that's pretty cool, I want to get involved. If they join any of the memberships, guys, you will receive a direct bonus or a referral bonus for simply inviting them to the platform, right? If they join the 1X Lite package, the $80 pack, you'll receive a $5 bonus from IX Global simply for, inviting somebody and getting that thanks from IX Global for sharing this with people all around the world. Now, the best thing about this is if they love the platform and they purchase their membership for that first month, that month goes by and it expires. If they renew their subscription, you get an additional direct bonus every single month that they renew their subscription for every single person that you invite to the platform. How cool is that, guys? Again, it's our way of saying thank you for sharing this amazing platform, this opportunity for others around the world and to get involved, okay? Now, on top of that, not only do you get the direct bonus, if you start inviting multiple people, and maybe not just family and friends, and you want to actually build an online business, you can do so by inviting clientele, people around the world, and start, and getting people involved and start growing an online business in a huge community. You will earn these different bonuses, from the apprentice bonus to rank bonuses, and start earning team commissions from anywhere from 10 to 20% based on the type of community that you build, based on the amount of volume and people that you've brought into the platform. Okay. Now, I don't want to go too in deep into it because I don't want to confuse anybody with all the numbers and terminology, but I wanted to let you go that this is available to anyone that's on an active subscription, whether it's the 1X Lite, the 1X Pro, or the 1X Elite. Okay. You have the ability to get involved with a brand ambassador program and build an online business. Okay. And just kind of show you guys how this, works and why it's beneficial is if you enroll 4 people, you can essentially get your subscription paid for, right? If you're on the 1X Lite or 1X Pro, right, and you invite 4 people, let's say you invite them to the 1X Elite, you get $20 from each of those people that invited. That alone will pay your 1X Lite subscription, right? That's $20 from each. That's $80 from each of them every single month that you'll get that you can use towards your subscription. You'll also, earn a $50 apprentice bonus, and you'll also earn commissions from, the teams, right? And all this kind of stuff, guys. And eventually, essentially what you're going to get, guys, is about $330 a month for for simply enrolling 4 people on the 1X Elite Pack. Okay, again, I don't want to confuse anybody. I feel like I've already said a little much that may be kind of confusing. So I don't want to go too deep into this, guys, but I just want to let you know that if you just simply invite people to this platform, if you have amazing, a result, amazing testimonial from using our platform, guys, why not share this with others and actually earn a little commission for doing so? And guys, there's a full compensation plan where the sky's the limit, right? We actually have a member of IX Global that was earning at one point $1.2 million a month with our compensation plan. How crazy is that, guys? $1.2 million a month, one of the top earners in the entire industry. If you want more information about the brand ambassador program, make sure to reach out to the person that invited you. We can get you those resources and those details to tell you a little bit more about how this works. Okay. But with that being said, guys, that is pretty much, all I kind of wanted to go over today was the XCore trading, allowing you guys to understand how to get involved in the financial markets, how to start taking your trading to the next level. And then I also wanted to mention that we can share this with others and actually be able to earn commission for doing so with our brand ambassador program. Okay. But the last thing that I really want to remind you guys is that whether you get involved with us here at IX Global today or not, guys, decide to be the one. Right? That is my recommendation to you guys. Decide that you are the one in your family, in your life, right? That is going to go after their goals, that is going to define their purpose and be able to change their family situation forever, right? You're going to leave a legacy behind. And that is our goal here at IX Global, to find the people that want to do so, help them change their lives with digital entrepreneurship, and help you guys learn these different skill sets that can, essentially change your life, right? Remember, be the one, guys. And then we also have, again, the multiplier, where if you share this with others, guys, you're impacting people all around the world to do the same. So once again, guys, that was our XCore overview trading call. Now, as I mentioned, guys, one more thing I do want to mention is that we do have a way for you guys to get involved, right? So let's say you want to get involved, but you're kind of, you want to take a look at it. You want to see what it's all about first. Well, you guys can do so by simply getting involved with our X Life platform. Okay, this is our main platform where the XCore material sits on within this platform, guys. And this is a free membership. It's invite only, but it is 100% free, where you guys can create an account, get started, join some free channels, start learning and start understanding, what IX Global is all about, what XCore is all about. And you guys can start, learning from some phenomenal entrepreneurs, engaging with people all around the world, and you guys are starting to connect with people and helping you guys achieve the goals, right? You want to be around like-minded people, and you want to be around the people that are going to help you achieve your goals, right? This is essentially like a positive Facebook or Instagram, where instead of seeing all these random boring videos, all these dancing videos, or negative stuff that's going on around the world, we keep this positive, guys. This is going to be something designed to help you guys achieve your goals. We're going to give you tips and resources and all this kind of stuff 100% for free, all within our X Life platform. So if you want to start here, kind of see what IX Global is all about, reach out to the person that invited you. They can send you the invite link to help you guys create your free account, and you guys can get started with us. And then you can upgrade at any time to whichever membership that you find best fit for you. Okay. If you got this, the link from me, reach out to me, guys. I can help you guys get set up with your X Life platform. But once again, guys, that is what we have here at 1X, right? At IX Global, and with the XCore platform and everything that we have here, guys, again, designed to help you achieve your goals and designed to help you become the one.